How to plow a garden by hand. It is always best to plow a garden before you plant it. Soil, especially in high-traffic areas, can be hard and compacted. Delicate plant roots have trouble penetrating it to reach moisture and nutrients. Consequently, the plant's growth will be stunted. Plants grow best and most vigorously in loose, friable soil. A hand plow is an ideal way to loosen garden soil before planting. Things you'll need: water, hand tiller, rake. Water hard, compacted soil with 1 to 2 inches of water. Moist soil is easier to plow. Insert the hand tiller's tines into the soil until they are completely covered. Turn the hand tiller's tines 90 degrees to loosen the soil. Continue inserting and turning the hand tiller until the top 6 to 8 inches of the soil are loose and friable and an even consistency. Break up any large clumps of soil with your hands. Remove any plants and roots, rocks or other debris from the soil. Rake the soil smooth.